Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope you guys have a very happy New Year in the new decade 2020. And let's start this year by this very interesting and funny internet slang math puzzle. We have on the left hand side LOL over GFG, which is I think it's an advanced version for GG, good freaking game. And then it's equal to skrrt on the right hand side. And we have here 8 letters representing 8 digits here. So because I choose LOL to be the slang, so this O is not equal to 0 indeed. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters representing 8 different digits. So if you have time, please try this math puzzle. So funny. It looks simple, but the process is not that easy. So we'll check our answer in a second later. So our first observation is to convert the recurring decimal on the right hand side back to the fraction. So remember, we have a skill to convert the recurring decimal into fraction. So for example, we have a recurring decimal 0.1234 ... We'll multiply the fraction by 1000, right? Because we want one repeating unit goes to the integer part. So the recurring decimal will continue, and we will subtract x from 1000x. And then by doing this, we can eliminate all the recurring decimal parts. So now we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And then we know that x will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 over 9999. So now we can convert this thing into fraction form. So now we have LOL, I will use this simplify, over GFG, which is equal to the SKRT over 9999. And our second observation is that GFG is a 3-digit number, but 9999 is a 4-digit number. So this must be some simplification on the fraction. And then we try to do a prime factorization on 9999. So we divide by 3 first, and then left by 3, 3, 3, 3, and then again 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we use 11, which is 101. And 101 is already a prime number, so we know that 9999 will be equal to 3 times 3 times 11 times 101. And we know that GFG is a 3-digit number, and its hundreds and units digit are the same. So we can deduce that GFG will be equal to 101 or 303 or 909. Our third observation will be assuming GFG to be 101. So now we can write this fraction LOL over 101, and then SKRT over 999, we write it in 101 times 99. So we can cancel the 101, and then we know that LOL times 99 will be equal to SKRT. So now we can consider the maximum value of SKRT. Notice that all the digits are different, so its maximum value is 9876. So we can calculate the maximum value of LOL by dividing 9876 by 99, which is equal to 99.757575 . So the maximum value of LOL, a 3-digit number, is only a 2-digit number, which is a contradiction. So now we can conclude that GFG is not equal to 101. For the fourth observation, we assume GFG to be 909. So we can simplify this fraction a bit, and then it's equal to square over 909 times 11. So we can cancel out the 909. So now we can write LOL times 11, which is equal to SKRT. So we try to split out 11 to be 10 plus 1. And then we can multiply LOL to get the first product, LOL 0 plus LOL. Okay, now we can write it in a vertical addition form, so you can have a better look on the unit digit part. Notice that 0 plus any digit will be equal to the digit itself. So now we have a contradiction because L and T represent two different digits. So this is a contradiction. So we know that GFG is not equal to 909 also. For the fifth observation, we assume GFG to be 303. So now we can rewrite the fraction into LOL over 303, which is equal to the square over 303 times 33. We cancel out 303, and then we get LOL times 33, which is equal to the SKRT. So now we can consider the maximum value of SKRT, which is 9876. So the maximum value of LOL will be equal to 9876 over 33, which is 299.2727 ... Well, notice that LOL is a 3-digit number, and its hundreds and unit digit are the same. So we can only have 1 something 1 or 2 something 2 to be the candidates. So now I gather all the information together. We assume GFG will be equal to 303, and then LOL times 33 will be equal to SKRT. So I list out all the possible values of LOL, and then I already reject some of them. So for example, 101, because F is equal to 0 already, so we cannot have another 0 here. For the second case, 111, they are all same digits, so we reject it. 131 is also rejected because G is equal to 3 already. So the same for the right hand side column. And then now we assume that LOL to be 1 something 1. So when 1 something 1 times 33, which is equal to SKRT. So now we can consider the unit digit. 1 times 3 must be equal to T. So T is equal to 3 now. But remember, G is already equal to 3. So now we have two same digits, which is a contradiction. So now we can cross out the whole column of 1 something 1 now. Our seventh observation, we will assume LOL to be 2 something 2. So now 2 something 2 times 33 is equal to SKRT. So now T will be equal to 6. So then we know that the 10th digit cannot be equal to 6. Now I list out all the remaining candidates, and we cross out these 4 candidates, and then we are left with these 6. So now we'll multiply them with 33 one by one and check if it is possible. So for the first one, 6996, we know that there are 2 6 and 2 9 here. So this is rejected because repeated digits. And for the second one, it looks okay, so we put a tick here. And for the third one, there's a 3 here because G is already equal to 3, so we reject it. And then for the fourth one, there's a 7 here because a 7 is already appear in 272, so we also reject it because of repeated 7. So for the fifth one, 9306, there are 0 and 6 here, so we reject because F is equal to 0 already and G is equal to 3 already. So for the last one, of course, there are 2 6, so we reject it again because of repeated digit. So now we have our final answer, which is 242 over 303 is equal to 0.7986 dot. And that's our final answer. And I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And I wish you guys again a very happy new year. And we'll see you in the next video in the 2020. Bye bye.